Hi everyone, now in this new video we'll talk about various courses of MBA which are available in Narsimhanji. As we know, last week we got the NMAT official notification for 2020 out. So soon in the upcoming months you would have to fill the application form, and it's very important for you to understand which all programs you have to apply to when you apply for NMIMS. One thing is sure that NMAT is a separate examination, and while giving NMAT you have to apply to given programs. So both the things are distinct. And MAT as an examination is governed by GMAT, and this exam would be accepted by NMIMS. So till 2016, both the things were same because NMIMS used to conduct the NMAT examination, but this is not the case nowadays. The objective is GMAT will be conducting the NMAT examination, and by giving NMAT exam, you can apply to NMIMS different courses and different campuses also. As you know, there are a lot of campuses that NMIMS have. The primary campus is going to be in Mumbai, followed by Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Indore, and Hyderabad. They have 5 beautiful campuses, and yes, there are a lot of courses which are available, which are into NMIMS. Okay. Why, if I have to talk about the nomenclature, let's say NMIMS Mumbai will give you an MBA degree, but the other campuses, be it Indore, Hyderabad, Navi Mumbai, or Bangalore, will give you the PGDM degree. But yes, all the other campuses will have the formal placement and the other course curriculum which is aligned to the NMIMS University altogether. Okay. Now let's take each and every course. There are a lot of other courses which will not have practical value for people who are looking for full-time MBA courses in the upcoming year. So we'll discuss about only those courses which are relevant for you. Now all the aspirants who will be applying for NMIMS exam and MAT examination will apply for the MBA program. This has the duration for 2 years, and this is available only in Mumbai campus. I'm talking about MBA course, but the other PGDM courses will also be available where you can put the application to. Okay, so if I'm saying it's only available in Mumbai, it's not the case that you can do MBA only in NMIMS. You can apply Mumbai, you can apply for the PGDM courses in the other campuses also. But yes, MBA degrees, which is from NMIMS University, School of Business Management, will be from Mumbai campus. Second crash course which is available in Mumbai is MBA HRM. Now, what differentiates MBA with MBA HR? Now, as we know, MBA is going to be a 2-year progressive degree. The first year would be a general management, where they will teach you the core subjects of finance, marketing, HR, and operation. And second year, you have to select a specialization. Unlike MBA HRM or human resource, what happens in MBA HRM is simple that here, technically, it's the 2-year program is going to be inclined only and only towards HR. Okay. This course you can compare with what XLRI gives for the HRM program. So XLRI followed by TISS which is there in Mumbai, and then Jamnal Bajaj which also has the HRD program, and NMIMS are the couple of good business schools which have a 2-year distinguished program only and only into HR. Okay. Yes, you will have major subjects of HR analytics, companies act, labor laws, all those things will be taught to you right from day one of your course. Third is MBA into pharmaceutical management. Now, people who are coming from life science background, or let's say biomedical background, or pharmaceutical or biotechnology background, can look forward for the given course also. This also have a beautiful career. All the leading pharmaceutical companies, be it Indian or multinational, comes for recruitment. They give you better placements into sales, marketing, operations, or analytics profile, which are available nowadays into pharmaceutical segment. This course is also available only and only in Mumbai. Next is MBA into business analytics. Now, MBA into business analytics, you will see it's a legal program. The MBA is going to be given by NMIMS, and the MS program into business analytics is going to be given by Purdue University. Okay, this is a new program what they have launched this year. Now, this is available only and only in Mumbai campus. People who are looking forward for making their career into business analytics, you can very well apply to the given course. However, talking about only PGDM into business analytics, then it is available in Bangalore campus also, where they have a specialization in the second year where you can select the BA course. A most distinguished feature that you can look forward to would be MBA into law. Now, if you want to work with legal law firms or with legal law associates after completion of your MBA, that's a beautiful course that you can look forward to, which is MBA into law. Yes, mostly, I'll give you a simple example. Let's say a lot of advisory firms work into M&A, which is merger into acquisition. So M&A associates, which are specialized into handling cases of M&A, which is merger or acquiring different companies, will look forward for the given case from the commercial angle as well as from the legal angle also. Yes, after completion of the given course, you can look forward for various other legal jobs and law associate jobs which are available into either advisory firms or let's say any other consulting companies. So be it BCG, Bain, or your KPMG or ANY, all the top associates will be recruited for the given uh, analytics firm as well as for the legal firms also. The part-time MBA is something which I will not advise as of now because we are discussing about the full-time MBA. So we are skipping the given part. Next important course that you can look forward to would be our course which is available in Bangalore campus, which is PG Diploma in Banking and Financial Service. Till 2015, NMIMS Mumbai also used to run this program, which was MBA into banking, but that program has been now merged with the core MBA program. But yes, if you're looking forward for 1 year executive program, which is into postgraduation diploma program into banking and financial service, you can look forward for this program into Bangalore campus. As said, apart from the MBA course, you can apply for the PGDM course as a backup. All the aspirants keep this as a backup option. That apart from Mumbai, you can also apply for the given schools of Bangalore, Hyderabad, Indore, and Navi Mumbai. Okay. People who want to do only and only in MBA into supply chain management or logistics, yes, and MIMS also gives you this option. The Navi Mumbai campus have a 2 year program which is into logistics and supply chain management. No doubt, it is not the case that people who are I mean, if you do not want to be a super specialized into supply chain or logistics, you can look forward for the MBA into operations course into all the top campuses of NMIMS. But yes, if you want to be very niche with respect to supply chain logistic specialization, then you can look forward for this program also. Last, I can discuss about the PG Diploma course, which is into real estate and construction management. There are a couple of good colleges. Let's say NICMAR, which is there in India, which is National Institution of Construction Management, which is based out in Goa. You have other campuses of Symbiosis. SCHMRD also give you construction management. Looking at the perspective of the given course, NMIMS Mumbai also offers you a 2 year program into construction management. Yes, you will work with various infra companies, tech companies, and construction companies after completion of the given course, which is available in Mumbai campus. People who are looking forward for entrepreneurship program, NMIMS Mumbai also give you programs which is into MBA into entrepreneurship and family business management, and second is MBA into entrepreneurship. Now, MBA into entrepreneurship, I'll tell you one thing. Yes, it is slightly distinguished from what MBA into family business management would be. Family business management is restricted only for those people who have a renowned family business, who can prove the credibility of the business, and who have the aspiration of going back to their family business after completion of the given MBA program. Yes, after completion of the given MBA program, there will not be any formal placement. As you own a family business, you can look forward for joining the given family business after completion of MBA program. Entrepreneurship, if you want to have your own venture, if you have your startup idea, you can look forward for MBA into entrepreneurship. This is also a 2 year program which is available in Mumbai. So these are the given courses which you should know. If you ask me which are the top courses which you should consider, you have MBA, you have MBA HRM, then you have PGDM courses. These are 3 courses which you should look forward when you fill the application for NMIMS, be it for Mumbai or some other campus which you are looking forward to. So thank you so very much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can put into the comment box where my team can actually reply to you.